So this is the packaging. It's very nice, and it says "You are awesome" here, which is very appreciated. And you can't tell what it is. It's nearly impossible to get into. Strong boy hours. Alright. So, a little bill. And it says, congrats and thanks for playing, because I won this. And here's the boxers. They're typically $30 online. The nice black boxers. Inside this pouch is the pouch with the hole. And then there's another pouch inside there to hold the back end of anything. And you can put your STP through there, your packer, whatever you need to put it through there. It's really soft and stretchy. I've heard that some people have problems when they're washing it, so I'll be careful with that. And then it's got little business cards and this little pamphlet with different resources on it. Different helplines and everything. But I got it in a small because I'm a small boy, and I'm gonna go try this on real quick because I'm excited.